SciSpace Review 2025. Is this the ultimate AI tool for researchers, or does it fall short? So let's break it down and make sure to like and subscribe. SciSpace is more than just a writing tool. It's a full AI powered research assistant. Its main goal is to help you read, write, and explore academic content faster and smarter. First is the Explain Paper feature that lets you upload any scientific PDF and it breaks down complex content into plain language summaries. This is incredibly useful if you're skimming dozens of dense papers. And then there's the AI Copilot, a chat based assistant trained on academic literature. You can ask it to explain terms, summarize sections, or even find related research. It also helps you generate citations, format references, and structure outlines for your own papers. For students and researchers, this tool can easily cut research time in half. That said, SciSpace is not perfect. It occasionally gives vague or inaccurate answers when parsing very technical contents. And while the free version is great for casual use, serious users will want the Pro plan, which unlocks unlimited explanations and enhanced AI. Also, it doesn't fully replace human understanding. You'll still need to think critically, but as a sidekick, size space is powerful. So, for final verdict, if you regularly read or write research papers, size space is one of the most useful tools in 2025. It helps you work faster, stay organized, and comprehend complex work without burnout. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.